Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to verify your phone number on Vinted. This adds extra security to your account. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So you can go through these steps using the app itself or the website, it's totally fine. So for you should go all the way to the Vinted app, open basically the App Store, Google Play Store, download the app, then go tap it to access the login screen. To access after this the profile or the dashboard. For me, I'm gonna go to vinted.com. Okay, so all I'm gonna do now is just open this, login using my email address and password to access my settings. Then I'm gonna go all the way here to my account, tap on settings here as you see. Now you have multiple options, profile details, account settings, shipping, all of this. I'm gonna go and select account settings. Then I'm gonna go to phone number and tap on verify. After this, enter your number, then enter the SMS verification code you receive. So you're gonna ask me why all of this matters. It helps recover your account, and it even adds security. It may be required for selling in some regions as well. For example, US, in Europe, it all depends on the location. As for like a small pro tip, use your personal number, not a temporary or virtual one, since it's a really important verification thing. Your number, your email is something we don't play with. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.